Welcome back again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing how I was able to make 100,000 Naira in less than 24 hours. But before that, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Cash Creation Club. I will share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do well to smash that subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Also, if you want to join all our social medias, click on this section on the YouTube channel homepage. You're going to see all our social medias. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, our partnership channel, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle, my WhatsApp contact, then a link in bio. For you to get started with the platform, go to the video description, click on the link or the pinned comment, click on the link and you'll be able to get started, or you can simply visit the link in bio as to showing right here. So once you click on that, to be showing you to the platform where you'll be able to see all our social media accounts and also where you'll be able to see all the platforms that are still paying right now as I'm making this video. So once I've clicked on that, I'll be brought to this interface. This is a list of all the platforms that are still paying, although these are YouTube channel. So right now, the platform I'm about to share with you right now is the Andersons, as you can see over here. So I have to do just to click on that and you'll be taken to the registration page for you to be able to start making money for yourself. But before that, I would like to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. I don't share anything like financial advice on this channel. Please do your research before you make any investment. This is because investments carry significant risks. Once you click on the registration link as was shown on the link in bio, you'll be brought to this interface exactly as it is. So right here, all you are required is just to input your phone number right here. So I have to just remove the first zero and input your phone number. Then input a suitable password between 6 to 12 characters. Then just click on send right here. And once you click on send, an OTP is not going to send to your number. A number will just appear inside this box. And after that, you click on register. Once you click on register, you'll be required to log in again. And after logging in, you'll be able to set your transaction password. And boom, your account is created successfully on the website for you to start making money for yourself. Log in, and after logging in, I'm going to be showing you everything step by step on this video, and this is my account. So once you create an account, this pop-up is going to show. So I have to just click on follow now and go and follow their Telegram channel. So you just have to click on that cross sign to remove it. So this is their home page. This video is explaining everything about their company, the Anderson company, or skip that for now. If you scroll down, you see everything about the Anderson company, all their features and everything. And right here, you'll be seeing, you'll be tracking your referrals right here. This is your invitation code. This is your first level of referral, second level, and third level. So right here, you just be tracking every single thing. Here, you'll be able to message their customer care support, and right here, you'll be able to join their Telegram, message their customer care support on Telegram. If you keep scrolling, you see other features. If you also click on this right here, you'll be able to chat their customer care support online right here on this platform. So you'll be able to chat them online right here on this platform. So if once you create an account on this platform, let us go back to this section that is written personal. So you go back to that section, you are going to see everything about your account, both your account balance, every single thing. So let us go back to that section. So now I'm brought to this section, right? I'm able to see my ID, my phone number, everything, my balance, and stuffs like that. So right here, you see the deposit, the withdraw, the orders, the bank card. So before you get started on this platform, the first thing you have to do is to make a deposit on this platform. But don't forget that I'm not still a financial advisor. Everything I do on this channel is only for educational purposes. I'm not making this video to tell you to deposit this amount or to do this. It is just based on your own financial capacity. So once you are brought on this section, you'll be able to see all the deposit methods. So you choose the amount you want deposit. If you want deposit 35, which is the minimum, 7,000, 15,000, and so on. So right here, you just choose the amount. For example, I'm depositing 35. Then you choose the payment channel. You can choose payment channel 1 or payment channel 2. Anyone can go. Then right here, you see the detailed explanation of everything about the deposit. Firstly, look at a 1 year. Frequent OPay recharges may cause risk control to affect recharges. If a risk warning appears when you use OPay to recharge, please try using another recharge app to recharge. So one thing about OPay right now, anytime you want to send money to someone or anybody, both someone that his account is clean, they will say that the account is highly risk of fraud. So I don't know, that's what they are trying to explain right here. Then if you read all this, you will see other things you need to know about your recharge. So you just have to click on recharge now, and you take into the recharge page where you'll be able to see the account number and all the account details you need to send the 3,500 naira to. So this is the interface where you're going to see all of them. Here it is showing that once you are finished making the transfer, you should copy your session ID and then you click on I've made the transfer. So that you just to copy the account number right here. Once you copy it, you note the bank, which is Access Bank, and then you send the amount, the particular amount, which is 35, to it. And for you to copy, just click on copy right here. You'll be able to copy the account number, the account name, and other things. Then once you've made a transfer, you come here and write, I have made this transfer. Refresh your dashboard, and boom, the money is going to reflect in your account immediately. So after making a recharge in your account, the next thing you have to do is just to come over to this section that is written buy shares. If you come over to that section, you're going to see the different things you need to purchase. As you can see, there are three here: long term, VIP, and limited. If you go to VIP, we still see others which have more benefits. If you go to limited, and there are no investment there right now. So let me explain everything step by step. The long term product is that you have to invest them for 50 days. You won't be able to withdraw every single day. But VIP, you'll be able to withdraw every single day. But let me tell you something. You will not be able to buy a VIP package without unlocking a long-term package. So do you understand? So this is what it means. For you, because if you notice right here on the long term, you'll be able to make 1,050 naira every single day. And your total profit after 50 days is 52,000. So while on the VIP, every single day you'll be making 1,750, and total profit after 5 days, because it is only 5 days, you will gain 8,750. So now this is how it works. For you to be able to open the VIP one package, for you to be making money every single day, you have to open the long-term package one. For you to unlock the VIP package, the second VIP package, you have to unlock the long-term package 2. So it means that each of them are connected. For you to unlock the VIP package 3, you unlock the long-term package 3, and that's how it continues. So for those of you that are planning to deposit only 3,500, if you deposit only 3,500, just know it's only the long term you'll be able to invest in. You won't be able to invest in the VIP package, and what it means is that you will not be able to be withdrawing every single day. So for you to withdraw, you have to deposit 7,000 naira, which is recharging on the VIP, on the long-term package, and also recharging on the VIP. And every single day you'll be making 1,750, and the 5 days you have gotten your capital back. So that's just the basic description there. So right now, the next thing you have to just go back to section that written tasks. Let me explain other things there. If you go to tasks, you'll be able to see right here that is saying reward. You'll be able to claim rewards through the official Telegram channel. You input a secret key and are going to claim some cash for yourself. Then if you invite your friends, copy your link, invite your friend, you're going to be able to make more money for yourself. Right here, if you invite a user and the user successfully deposit, you will get 500 naira plus 20% of your level 1, as it is showing right here. So this is an explanation. For example, if you invite 100 users and they deposit a total of 100,000 naira on the platform, you are going to receive 100 users times 500 naira, which is the 500 they give for every deposit, which is equals 50,000 naira. And then you're also going to receive 100 naira times 35, which is the amount each of them are depositing, times 20%, which is equals to 120,000, and it is 120,000 because 120,000 plus 50,000. So that's what you get. So it means that we are going to be making 500 naira for everybody that deposits, and you're also going to get 20% of the person's deposit. Isn't that a massive income? So now if you scroll down, I'm going to also see this thing that is showing invite to activate. Or after getting the 500, right here, if you also invite 5 people and they activate, you're also going to get 3,000 naira. That's just a massive cash out from this platform. This platform is so amazing. So you go back to the section that is written club, you'll be able to share your withdrawal receipts from this platform, and you're going to get paid for it. As you can see, well, this is people that are withdrawing from this platform and they are saying this platform is amazing, this is that, and stuff like that. And you are going to get paid for it. So for you to publish something, just click on this icon right here. If you click on the icon, you'll be able to publish your own on the site for you to also make your own money. For example, I published yesterday and today they gifted me 1000 plus naira. So right here, you just have to upload an image, which is your withdrawal image, and I'll be asked to select an image. I'm going to select the collage of the withdrawal I made, which is this right here. I'm going to click on done, and once I select the image, I'm going to enter a content right here. Maybe I'll write Anderson is the best. I just withdrew 100,000 naira, and then after the supervisor supervise it, they are going to be credited in your account successfully. So you just I just withdrew 100k yesterday. They are the best. You are going to see money in your account immediately. So I just click on confirm, and it says post submitted successfully. And note, you can post only once a day, and now it has been submitted successfully. Although this is not mine, but it has been submitted successfully, and it is still going to be showing on other people's page after the admin approves it. So now if you go by section editing personal, that's where you see other features of the platform. So in this video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, but that will be at the end if you stick around to the very end. So if you click on section that is written orders, you're going to see the packages I have invested in. As you can see, I have invested in VIP package and the long-term package, as you can see over here. If you click on running, both of them are still running. Click on completed, none are completed because the platform is just a new platform, so it cannot just complete easily. If you click on back card, you'll be able to set your bank card for withdrawal. If you click on team, you'll be able to track the number of team members you have invited. If you click on rewards right here, you're going to see the history of all the rewards I receive on this platform every single day. Then if you click on deposit right here, it is for you to deposit, withdraw, for you to withdraw. If you click on VIP right here, you'll be able to see the amount we make for every of your team members that are charges. For example, right here it says when the matched order video amount reaches 14,000 naira, you can upgrade to VIP2. Right here it says when the matched order video amount reaches 35, you can upgrade to VIP1. So it means that once the people that I've invited, once they match like their amount they have deposited reaches 14,000 naira, I can upgrade to VIP2 for free. So that's just what it means. Then if you check on help center, it is still like contacting their customer care support. If you click on personal information, you see things like your password, your phone number you used to register and stuff like that. Then if you click on log out, you'll be able to log out your account on this platform. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is to place a withdrawal. So I just click on the withdraw button right here, and as you can see, I can be able to withdraw 2,505, but the minimum withdrawal right here is 1,200, and the maximum is 1 million naira. And then I can withdraw from 9 o'clock to 18 o'clock, and there's still time. And here you can withdraw only once a day, and transaction fee is just 5%. So right here, I'll input the amount I want to withdraw, which is 2505. I will be withdrawing everything. I will input my transaction password right here. After inputting my transaction password, I will input my bank card and then click on withdraw right here. And my withdrawal is going to be placed successfully. It is currently loaded, and I say withdrawal request submitted successfully. So if you go to back to withdraw right here, if you go back to withdraw right there and click on withdrawal history, you see all my withdrawal histories in this platform right here. This 2,505 is still processing, while this is the 100,000 naira I withdrew yesterday and it was successful in my account. So we are going to wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop. Due to the 5% charge they took, I'm going to be getting 2,300 instead of 2,500. So let us wait patiently for the amount to drop in my wallet, and I'm going to be showing you the amount dropping in my wallet right here. So if you also want to see the 100,000 naira, I'm going to also pop it up on the screen right now for you to see, and I'm going to show you when the amount arrives in my wallet successfully. And as you can see on my screen right now, withdrawal has been received successfully, and this is 2,279.75, which is exactly what I will do. And look at the time, everything, confirm everything. This is exactly the time I will do everything. So now do well to leverage on this platform right now to make a lot of money for yourself every single day, because the platform is a new platform you just launched, and you can use it and make a lot of money for yourself starting from now that I'm just uploading this video newly. So now if you found the video helpful, do well to smash the subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Don't forget to share this video with friends and more people will benefit from this amazing opportunity. Like this video, comment to this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity, and so that you'll be able to receive more content like this whenever I upload it on YouTube. Learn, grow, and earn. Keep pushing, keep going, and keep creating your own cash creation plan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.